Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Kelly here back with another video. I know there's a stain back there, completely ignore it, thanks. So today I'm going to be doing something special. I am going to be doing a makeup look for Valentine's Day based on a specific relationship status. And today's status is, it's complicated. So let's get into it. I'm super excited. It's super easy and it's so cute. All right, so this look is super cute and super simple. So I'm starting with my Clinique Beyond Perfection concealer, and this is in the color Deep 28, and this is my primer. So as I'm zooming into this look, I realize that there's at least like about 2 to 3 layers of color here, you know, so here we go. I'm just going in with my Kylie Jenner little kit, and this is the Kiss Me kit, and I'm going to use the color Sweet Thing. And I'm just going to apply that on my lid. So just apply, you know, your top until you feel like it's even and everything looks to your liking. I'm just trying to get a solid color. You know, it's okay if it fades up because we're gonna blend it out. But I'm more concerned about my color at this moment than where it's going. I am using the same color that she used, or similar, because I really like that look and I think it would look great with this outfit, and it's so cute for Valentine's Day. So I tried the orange and I really didn't like the way it came out on my skin. It didn't come out like the picture, so I'm going to take my little MAC Red Brick eyeshadow, and I'm going to try applying that over my eyes because I feel like this color is more of that one versus the orange. I hope this lighting is better, like, you know, like I hope I can up it because I'm going to be so mad if I can't. If I have to do this again, bro. I think this color will be just fine, honestly. So now that we've got our base color down, we're just going to blend it out and build it up. And it doesn't have to be like super perfect. It's kind of like a messy red eye type look, you know? It's perfect for it's complicated, you know? I'm just out here trying to have a good time and look cute. I don't really care if anyone tries to talk to me, but I'm gonna do my makeup because I'm cute, you know? Very much so. I could also have a hot date tonight. You never know. I'm just out here looking hot. Literally. Now that we did the bottom, we're going to go to the top, and I'm basically just dipping back into the red, and I'm not very good at under eyeshadow, but it looks like they're just sweeping it under as such. And then kind of blending it out a bit. Oh, this is cute. Oh, I'm so sorry, but this is cute. I never did this before. And I guess we can kind of make it go a bit more down right here because hers is kind of going down. Kind of carries into the bag a little bit, you know? And then be sure to blend out on the ends, and you can kind of blend it. Don't go too crazy with it because it is like, you know, you're gonna have a huge red eye, like, you know. But this is the look we're going for today, so. And then when you're done with your outer eye, you can even brush some of the red over your lid where the original color was, just so they blend a bit more. And then be sure to blend out that crease because it'll get you. Starbucks break. If you want, you can add a wing. I'm not going to add a wing to this. I'm just going to put on mascara and call it a day. So now I'm just going to do the other side now that we know how to do it. As you know, every look must be topped off with some mascara. So we're just going to apply. This is a great look for under eye mascara. Some people might want the color to pop more. If you want the color to pop more, then don't put under mascara on. But I like my eyelashes to pop a lot. And I feel like the color will make my eyelashes pop. If you want, you could top it off with a little... Get concealer in my hair. If you want, you could top it off with like a little blush. I'm basically just going to use the same eyeshadow and take my finger, dab it in there like that, and just dab it on my cheek and blend it out. And I'm going to do the same again. And I do like what the TikTok girls do when they put it on their nose. I think that's super cute. So you just put a little bit. You just want a little red tint. Like an e-girl is what they call them. Some people may think you just got into a fight with a makeup bag, but you know that this look was inspired by Alexa Demine, and you're a baddie. So yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And please check out my other videos that will be coming in the following days. I'll be doing this up until Valentine's Day. And I will also be releasing a Valentine's Day haul video soon. So get ready for that so you can have some date ideas. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out my new single Timeout on my website, kellyevansonline.com, where I sell my t-shirts as well. Thanks. Hey everybody, thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed, leave a comment and like below. My songs on all platforms, it's called Timeout. Yeah, add it to your playlist because we're trying to ball out. Buy my t-shirts because I'm broke.